put the 2 eggs in any kind of, what you call?
Broth.
Yeah. Or the 2 cups. And then mix.
We're using Dashi, but you can use any kind of broth that you can get available.
Yeah, veggie, chicken. Beef is a little bit too strong. So.
And by the way, today we're making okonomiyaki.
Okonomiyaki.
So it was 2 cups of broth, 2 eggs, and some flour.
1 cup of fruit. And you're gonna put the half cup more.
Okay.
1.5. So 2 cups of that. And 1.5 cup of flour. Okay.
How thick do you want it to look?
I like this.
Kind of thin, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. I thought it was a little thicker, but
If you
it's...
make it too thick, tastes like a flour. Okay? And you have a cabbage like this.
Okay.
Cut really small. And cabbage leaf have a middle. Take one, you take more. And then I cut like that.
Slice your cabbage up into sort of little strips, diced, yeah?
Yeah, small dice. This one about 2 cups.
Okay.
And they cut the bacon like that small. Easy to eat.
Yep.
And that cabbage, put more in here.
Okay. Looks good already.
And I put a little bit green onion.
That's always good.
Yeah. Half cup onion.
Half or quarter? Maybe
Half
quarter?
cup.
You think so? Half?
Yeah,
Okay.
half cup onion.
As you can guess, you can adjust these amounts for most things that you add into the base.
And little ginger.
Beni Shoga.
Beni Shoga.
That's one of the secrets that make this so good.
About 2 tablespoons.
Okay.
And this one turned into a little bit pink, but that tastes good. And I have the dry shrimp, small dry shrimp. You can buy at the market.
What is it? Ko-ebi?
Ko-ebi.
Okay.
Yeah. And I put 1 package inside,
Okay, and let's see what they look like.
like this.
Okay.
Okay.
Small little dried shrimp.
This one called Tenkasu. After you make a tempura leftover crumb in oil, I save it. But you can buy the store too in a package. And I put about 1 cup. I put in there. And then mix
Close
it.
to half a cup.
Yeah.
And that is one ingredient you can leave out if you can't find it available in your
So
area.
the shrimp.
Sometimes they do make these real thick, like about 1 inch thick, but it takes a long time to cook, up to 15 to 20 minutes. And this way is a little bit faster and the taste is still good.
This is inside. And let them around there get the white clear, and then we turn over.
Okay.
And now we put the bacon in here. So you start a little bit clear right here. See here? Yeah. But it's still not yet. You put it, I turn over now, break it half. put that right here.
Yep. If you
Stuff
turn
it
it
in.
too soon, it'll just fall apart
Yeah.
or break in half.
Okay. Flip over, come like this. The bacon cook.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And I'll flip over this side. Yeah.
It's about 3 to 4 minutes on the first side until brown, and then it was another 3 minutes on the second side until brown, and the bacon cooks like that. Now what really makes these is the toppings or the sauce that you put on it. Traditionally there is 3 things that have to go on it. Mayonnaise. You can be as creative as you want to be with these. We're using Kewpie mayonnaise today. It tastes very good. Next item is Tonkatsu sauce.
Tonkatsu sauce.
Okay.
And now put on this way.
We're going to go the other way. There we go.
And we put the shaved dry fish.
All right. What do they call it?
Katsuo Bushi.
Katsuo Bushi. All right.
And put on that. And this one dance.
Because everything's hot, the Katsuo Bushi will actually dance.
Put the seaweed. Chop up seaweed.
Dried seaweed, which is called
Nori.
Nori. Okay.
Okay, and put this one here.
Nori is optional,
Yeah, you don't have to.
but it adds color and it also adds some flavor. Today in Kyoko's kitchen we made okonomiyaki. Please enjoy, subscribe, and hit the bell down below, and you'll be able to be notified if new videos come. Also, if you hit the more underneath, you'll be able to see the recipe written out in ingredients amounts. Thank you. Bye.